Hey guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. We are here in my test kitchen, and do I have a treat for you? I have my good friend Caity here, and she is going to share some amazing things with you. So, without further ado, let's welcome her to show you something awesome.
Hey guys, Caity here with Beltway Balloons from Washington, D.C. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super quick, super cute butterfly. This butterfly is really good on headbands, bracelets, and I'm going to show you how to put it on its little flying stick, which is a great way to hand it to the kids and give them something just a little bit more than the butterfly. So today I'm going to use a polka dot 5-inch round. This is really squishy. This is probably 4 inches, and we need it squishy because we're going to end up squeezing it into 2. We're also going to use 2 6-inch hearts and then a full 260 inflated this much. 4 fingers or so. This is going to be our antennae. So you're going to need your heart balloons are going to be the wings, and you want them to be about the same size. Ish. Tie those into a duplet. And then we're going to take our polka dot, and we're basically going to make a giant sidewall bubble that's about 1/3 of the balloon, and leave the other 2/3 of the balloon down here. Then we're going to take our duplet of hearts, and we're going to wrap it into the neck of the butterfly. It already looks like an adorable little butterfly. To make its antennae, we're going to split this one in 2. Give the end of the 260 a little snap, and then get most of the 260 in the palm of your hand and sort of squeeze it. And when you do that, it will force the air to the other end. They're about even. I'm going to go ahead and tie them off so that they stay that way. And we will cut off the excess like that. And then with this, you're just going to wrap it into the neck of the butterfly. Back up behind the hearts. And boom, it'll stay. How cute is that? You could put this on a 6-petal flower, put it on your head or on the wrist, but I'm gonna put it on my little flying stick. So what I've done is spiral inflated a clear 260. It has a little bit of room at the end. You don't really need it. It doesn't really matter. We're just gonna make 2 little pinch twists at the end. 1-inch bubble-ish. Then we're going to take the bottom of our butterfly, which is the nozzle of the polka dot balloon, and we're going to tie that into our pinch twists. Then you can hand it to the kid like this, and our little butterfly will fly around like so. If you like what you see, please click like. Please subscribe to Sandy's channel. She does balloon videos every week, so please let her know what you'd like to see. I'm Caity with Beltway Balloons. Go forth and balloonify.